Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here you can just check out our accuracy for today. And these are our signals for today, and I will explain you them step by step. To join our channels, you can just click on the link in description. So let's begin with our signals today. The session started right here, and our first signal was for USD JPY 5 minutes up. Here you can just check out, this was a very good one. Here our entry was perfect. In this, the price came into a strong support level on the 5-minute time frame. This level was held perfectly and the buyer stepped in. Support was respected, so we entered an up trade right here, and the trade played out perfectly. Our entry was good on the support level, and it was a perfect entry, and it was a good one. You just have to do a good entry right there and you will win the trade. The next signal is for Euro JPY up. And this you can just check out, same logic. In this, the support was cleaner, the market was in a clear uptrend, and the price pulled back to the support zone. The trend direction and the level was aligned, giving us a high probability to buy this trade. We took this trade for the upside with a good entry, and it played out perfectly. This was a very amazing one right there. You can just check it out. Yeah, 2 signals for today, 2 non-marginal wins, and these were our signals for today. For more, you can just click on the subscribe button and like this video, and we will bring more videos to you. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.